Your God, my God, is a good Father. Nga maskin pag i-reject ka sa tanan, igsuon na gyud someone nga willing yung kaayo mo embrace nimo and willing mo ingon sa imo be clean. Sometimes no people would see you as wala na gyud ayo, palpak, someone nga mauna na and people will blame you. Because of course nasayop jud ka sa imong decision. Napalpak yun ka. That's a given already. And people will blame you, people will ridicule you, people will get away from you. But in those moments and so on where you're like a leper, that you feel rejected, you don't feel loved or important, God is a good Father who is willing to accept you and embrace you and cleanse you once again. Igsuon Ginoo ra gyud. Mao ni siya nga truth. Nganong pwede ka mo decide today to be a good person? Kung nakasinati ka that you have a good Father. You cannot give something awa ni mo madawat sukat. Pero kung nakadawat ka, nga murag ako magyud ang leper, palpak, makasasala, walay ayo, hugaw. Pero my God is willing to embrace me and to cleanse me and give me a brand new start. Kung naka-experience ka ana igsoon, sama sa akong na-experience, muingon yung ka, I will be a good person to others. Tungod kay nasinati nimo ang kaayo sa Dios. Maybe today, what happened to us is so bad. What happened to us is so hurting. What happened to us is, di ka kasabot na nung kinahanglan maingana. But in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him. Bati man siya on the outside today, sakit man siya on the outside today. But months from now, years from now, you can look back and say, maudi ang nahitabo to. God is still good to me. Choose to be good as a person. Because you have received that goodness and you are willing to reflect that goodness to others. Sama sa akong giingon kaganina igsuon. Kung naa may Biblia nga naglakaw, bahalag dili ka muwali, ikaw na. Nga ang mga tao nga nakaila nimo would say, maayo kang tao.